Hey guys, welcome back. Here we are back with the first and official look of Samsung's second foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Z Flip. This is the second foldable smartphone from Samsung and it is going to launch very soon. And in this video, we will talk about its key features, price and launch date. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip will be a clamshell smartphone and they are going to use a 6.7-inch ultra thin glass layer at front, and not like the plastic one which was used on first generation of Galaxy Fold, which is very fragile and very prone to scratches. And at the front of Galaxy Z Flip there is a hole for 10 megapixel selfie camera. And at the back of phone there is a secondary 1-inch display which shows you time and notifications when the phone is shut. And also at the back of Galaxy Z Flip there is a dual camera setup, a 12 megapixel main camera and a ultra wide camera. And the fingerprint sensor is placed on the side of phone. There is no headphone jack. At the bottom there is a Type-C port for charging. The phone will support 15-watt fast charging and also will support reverse charging. And now talking about the processor of the smartphone, the Galaxy Z Flip would run on a slightly older Snapdragon 855 Plus processor with a 8GB of RAM instead of 865 which is expected in the Galaxy S20 family. And the phone will come with a 256GB of internal storage which is not expandable. And now the most important part, when the phone is going to launch, what will be the price of smartphone? The smartphone is going to launch as soon as February 14th and the smartphone will cost you around 1500 euros. And that's it for today's guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more. Thank you so much.